An Alien from Goldilocks Zone, Grandpa and Me, podcast serial by Valueversity, Episode 3. I started to tremble like a leaf. About 3 foot high, like a reticent tree trunk, Alien was staring at me, a yellowish, bloodless zombie face. Not far from our cottage, this 200 years old ruins of a church building had a back garden full of wild shrubs and trees. In the afternoon when Grandpa used to have a nap, the only reason I often came here was sweet red berries in the bushes. This was the first time I saw this alien. As soon as I thought he was about to move towards me, first a slight scream came out of my mouth, and then I ran galloping. When I got home, Grandpa was reading the newspaper while sitting in the veranda. He looked at my pale face and asked, "Are you okay?" I told him the story and went into my room utterly scared. After a few minutes, Grandpa came in with a withered banana leaf and a tree branch in his hands and said, "Aliens greetings to Mamdumia." I blushed and in an attempt to change the topic said, "May not be in this church, but there must be aliens somewhere in the universe." Grandpa said, "Many scientists agree with your view. They are now looking for life in 40 planets in the Goldilocks zone. I'm sure you remember the story in which a girl called Goldilocks ate bear's porridge. It was neither too hot nor too cold. Goldilocks planets are placed at the optimum distance from their stars. They are neither too hot nor freezing. Therefore, life is a possibility there. They have a climate similar to planet Earth and has the potential for water and life to exist. Our land is the perfect example of a planet located in the Goldilocks zone, on which the appearance and promotion of life could be made possible. Scientists estimate that only in our galaxy, about 40 billion planets orbiting in the Goldilocks zone. This fact supports your idea that not only the existence of aliens is possible, but also the possibility that our universe might be teeming with various forms of life. To be continued. Valueversity. Shariq Ali.